Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the IMEI number, and I'd like to start with the fastest option. So let's open the dialer and let's enter a short code which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way, which is a little bit longer. However, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's find the settings, and then of course the general settings, and we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to find this section with IMEI numbers. As you can see right now they are not visible, but no worries, simply tap on it to show the information, and after tapping it will immediately appear right under the IMEI. The same situation with the second one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.